Indian Diesel Forklift, 3-ton carrying capacity, 4.5 meter lift height, 4.5 meter lift height. We have provided towing arrangement for towing the trolleys and etc. Heavy duty version, front big wheel with all safety features, siren indicator, side lights, back mirror. Here is the console panel. First lever is for the lifting, second lever is for the tilting. We have provided 2-speed. For the turtle, we can use in slow speed. For the rabbit, we can use in fast speed. This lever is for up and down motion. We have provided a handbrake. There is a center console where you can find the diesel, heating and hour. There is a holder for the bottle and mobile. We will demonstrate how to use. Adjust the mirror for the seat according to the seat. This is a lever for a forward. We have chosen the speed of turtle like slow speed. Remove the brake, handbrake. Now we can operate. This is the back. There is a neutral in both position. Container mass 4.5 meter lift height. We can use this forklift in container loading unloading as well. Here's the lever for tilting. You can tilt. There is a light for the night operation. There are signals for the right and left direction for the turning. Easy to drive, easy to operate.